Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Let's Crack OPSC. Hope all of your preparation going well. Today is 30th of April and till date OPSC has not notified whether they will be rescheduling OS prelim examination. Friends, I want to tell you with this particular video that many of the YouTube subscribers as well as my crash course subscribers, test series subscribers, many of them are doing the query whether the exam will be postponed. Friends, I want to make it clear, till the time OPSC notifies, do not believe in these rumors. Keep preparing as you are appearing it on 23rd of May. And with this particular video, I want to humbly request all those members as well as the OPSC, Honorable OPSC Chairman Sir and Honorable members that they supposed to take the stock of the situation and see there is a trend which is going. West Bengal civil services, they have postponed it. UPSC has also put on hold all the interviews. They have not done any interview till now. So many exams also got postponed nationally. So as the cases are also rising in Odisha, currently yesterday some more than 8,000 cases came in COVID category. So I personally believe there are chances of rescheduling. From my internal sources, I came to know that OPSC is holding the meeting in next week, in the upcoming week. We take the stock of the situation, try to look into the consideration with all the students, faculty as well as the family members of the participants or the candidates, that take a conscious decision which will be in the betterment of all candidates. आपण माने जेते सबु कैंडिडेट्स अछंती तांकर किछि ओपीएससी चेयरमैन सर एंड जो मेंबर्स अछंती से माने कॉन्शियसली से विषय रे चिंता करिवे। मु होप करूची कि समस्तंक बेटरमेंट पाई डिसीजन निया हबो। टिल द टाइम ओपीएससी टेक्स अ डिसीजन एज वेल एज notifies to all candidates on their official website, you have to believe that the exam is going to be conducted on 23rd. I personally urge my YouTube subscribers, my crash course subscribers as well as my test series subscribers, do not lower your seriousness. And many of the students, they do procrastinate. Why they do procrastinate? They personally delay everything, delay their studying, delay appearing test series, and they think no, OPSC will definitely reschedule it for 1 month. Say if OPSC will only postpone it for 5 days or 10 days or even 15 days, that is not going to help your cause. So my humble request to my YouTube subscribers, crash course subscribers as well as test series subscribers, do not lower your intensity. No matter what OPSC does, you supposed to be preparing in the mode of appearing the examination on 23rd. I personally humbly urge all of you that OPSC will take a conscious decision on this and they will definitely notify you well in advance. Till then, always try to have that particular seriousness and keep preparing. Keep preparing as if you are appearing on 23rd. So this was the appeal to all the members as well as Honorable Chairman Sir to consider this particular appeal of rescheduling this examination. They will definitely take a stock of the situation and notify you well in advance. Till then, keep preparing, safeguard yourself, do not panic in this turbulent times. Take care of the family members too, because they are the support that you are getting as a candidate. Friends, those of you who really want to reschedule this exam, write in the comment box that please reschedule the exam and do share with your WhatsApp group so much so that maximum people watches this particular video. Thank you very much.